girl. Where's Goose, Gabby? Where's Goose? Whoa! Did you guys catch that? I'm trying to plow uphill because the plow's shifted to the right side of the truck, so it wasn't grabbing that snow that was on the left going down. So I wanted to try and push it uphill, and it didn't work. And let's see, I stalled the truck, slid down the driveway, almost hit our new gate. Yeehaw. I really dig our driveway, don't get me wrong. But this time of year, it really dictates what happens. So, because this is a take two, you didn't get to see what really happened yesterday because our stupid camera is dumb and it didn't want to play with me because I'm dumb and refused to touch a button to make the settings work with me. It's old guy stuff. The wife gets it, I don't. So anyhow, this time of year we really have to plan when we're going to town. We just can't go jump and go into town if we have weather coming in. Well, yesterday and the night before, we got, I don't know, 2, 3, 4 inches of snow. It only takes 1 inch of snow for us to not be able to get up the driveway. So, with that being said, I had to plow the driveway. Plow the driveway, no big deal, he says. It is a big deal. I will show you why it's a big deal. Because I broke the plow. I'm pretty sure I hit a rock, and I hit it hard. Down at the bottom of the driveway. This past summer, someone was grading the road, working on the road, and making obscene ditches in the road. And one of the ditches led to nowhere. So water was literally running down the middle of the road. So I was, before we got our this past hard freeze, I was trying to scrape out that side of the road, and I was going to trench down the road so water would run down the edge of the road like it used to into like this little parking area down at the bottom. Well, that didn't happen because I hit a rock. And I was going slow. It stopped the truck. Did I back up and turn around it? No. Nope, I just popped the clutch and gave it gas. That's what I think happened. So I need to get the plow truck turned around so I can show you what all happened. So when you're looking at the plow this way, it looks like it's angled. Let me show you. We'll go to the side. It's angled. It's an automatic angle. I don't need to set the angle. All right, you see that's ripped right there. Just ripped out of this square tubing. The tubing itself was probably only 1/8 inch thick. It's not very thick, and it just ripped it right out. Bent that cross member there. Yeah, there we go. And bent this bracket right here. That bracket right there completely just pushed the passenger side of the plow into the truck. So that's what I get to fix. I'm not sure what I need to do. I'll probably just get some angle brackets, some 1/4-inch square tubing, and just kind of mimic what the guy who put it together did and see what we come up with. I'm not much of a welder. I dig our driveway, I do, but this time of year it just sucks because it predicts what we do. And there's some video that Tony's going to throw in a week and a half ago or so, 2 weeks ago or so, before the hard freeze hit us, a week and a half ago. We had to sand the driveway to go into town because we wouldn't have got up, because our drainages with the excavation that this last summer, our drainages got screwed up, and I totally forgot to dig them back out. So as the water started freezing overnight, it would overflow, and our driveway was an ice skating rink, which was funny. So we ended up sanding the driveway, and that took like 2 hours, hour and a half to sand the driveway to go into town to get Starbucks.
No, laundry.
Oh, okay, laundry and Starbucks. Yeah, I know, I'm a Starbucks snob. Quit your bitching. Everybody's got to have their vices, right? I got Starbucks and smoking and frozen goodness and cake. Anyway, funny thing was, even with me plowing, you saw that part where I was trying to plow uphill and I slid back down. Now, I couldn't get down to the sand layer because there was just too much garbage on the driveway. So we had to chain the truck up yesterday to get back up, which it's no big deal. But we also had to chain up to get up this little hill that I was plowing down this morning. I think you guys saw part of that too. But yeah, kind of crazy. So next year, probably won't happen next year, but hopefully the year after, we want to get a new driveway cut in to take some of the steepness out. And we'll just kind of make a pathway through the forest and just kind of curve around the big steep part. That's it. Yeah, thumbs up, like, subscribe. You guys have a good one. Bye. Peace.